So SunRice was originally an Australian-based company. It's now a global food-based manufacturing company. It specialises in manufacturing premium grade rice. It's involved in the start to finish process of rice production in the paddock to packaging it off and selling it to the premium market. We have 3 production lines and on those 3 packers we have individual inkjet printers. Part of the palletisation process is they all have SSCC labellers, so we have 3 individual SSCC labellers. We also have bulk bag production with SSCC labellers also. So one of the problems we faced was around the print quality prior to upgrading to the Matthews inkjet coaters. Post-upgrade, it's not only quality has improved, it's been an efficient machine and the operators are finding it very easy to use. Previously, we did not have an IDS net system, and basically from that we had a lot more quality issues where we'd have the wrong code or the wrong SSCC label going onto the finished product. With IDS net now we have the continuation of one master computer that sends it out to the packer and the palletizer. One of the main drivers which actually sold to SunRice was the availability of service, and the technological advances with their latest inkjet coaters made it a very easy decision to select Matthews.